In this video, we'll walk you through creating a report package in CustomBooks. Report packages make it easy to generate multiple reports at once and even automate the process. To get started, go to the Reports module from the main menu and select Report Packages to open the module. This is where you can create, edit, and manage bundled reports for quick access. Click Create, then select New to start a report package. Give it a clear descriptive name, something like Monthly Financials or Annual Reports. Next, set the date range using the Calendar button. You can choose from preset options like month, quarter, half year, or full year. Now, click Select Reports to add reports to your package. Choose from a list of available reports such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. But you can also add other reports besides your financial reports. For example, we can add a sales by customer and the item valuation report. Once you've selected the reports you need, click Select to add the reports to the package. Now that you've selected the reports, click Save before making any further changes. After adding your reports, you can customize them by clicking Edit. Here you can adjust the date range, apply filters, or modify the layout to ensure you're pulling the exact data you need. Once you've made your changes, click Save Settings and choose whether to save the changes for the report package only, update the default report settings, or apply the changes just this once. Next, use the Mail To tab to add email addresses for recipients who should receive this report package. The Covers and Footers tab lets you include a cover page, cover letter, and footers. You can also edit these elements directly from this tab. Finally, on the File Formats tab, select the format in which the reports will be generated. Once everything is set up, click Save to finalize your report package. When you're ready to run it, click Run, then choose one of the available options: Run and Export, Run and Send, or Run and Save to Vault. And that's it. You've successfully created a report package in CustomBooks.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.